I'm Rupam Jha Ajmera, Senior Mentor at Prep-IAS. Today is 12th of August and I welcome you all on today's edition of What to Read in the Hindu newspaper. We will not only see the articles from the lens of prelims and mains, but also interlink it with other GS papers as well. I am here to align your newspaper reading with GS syllabus. So let's get started. The very first article that catches our attention in today's Hindu newspaper is about nuclear threat is Pak's stock in trade, says Center. Now, if I have to tell you in just two lines what is the key theme in discussed in this article, this majorly talks about nuclear deterrence, security doctrine, India-Pakistan relationship. So this has been in this discussed this particular article. Relevant for GS paper 2, IR, India and its neighborhood, security challenges that we are facing, GS paper 3, internal security, nuclear technology and security implications. For prelims perspective, this particular article is to be seen from several dimensions. And the areas where we need to brush up our knowledge on is firstly, read about NPT, that is Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, CTBT, Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, concepts like credible minimum deterrence, no first use policy of India. So these are to be read from this particular article. For mains perspective, the same article is to be seen from the lens of IR answer on stability instability paradox that exists in South Asian issue. This can even be used for feeder point for your essay on regional security as well. We can even link it with science and tech as well. So this is how, in this manner, this particular article is to be seen from all the respective angles. Moving on, the next important article worth reading in today's Hindu newspaper is on editorials page that says a court ruling with no room for gender justice. So the key theme that we can talk in just two lines about this particular article, it talks about gender justice versus misuse of laws, balancing rights of accused and victim protection. This is relevant for GS paper 1, that is social issues. Afterwards, GS paper 2, polity. Under this, judiciary constitutional safeguards for women can be linked for this particular article. For prelims, this particular article holds relevance when it comes to, there are section of IPC 498 and 498A, which has now been changed. IPC has been changed with Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So this is to be refreshed. The knowledge regarding this is to be refreshed. Afterwards, we can see the provisions of Dowry Prohibition Act, protection of women from domestic violence. So these are the areas that can be seen from the perspective of prelims. The same article is to be seen for the lens of mains with regard to ethical dilemma in law enforcement. This can be linked with GS paper 4. Gender equality and criminal justice reform. We can substantiate it with several reports that has been published with this particular regard. Specifically, and the most authentic one is NCRB data that has been discussed. The recent one is of in this article, NCRB data 2022 has been discussed. Then National Family Health Survey data. So that talks about the domestic violence being faced by women. Right. So in this manner, this particular article is to be seen holistically. Moving on, the next important article is assuaging concerns. This talks about vehicle owner deserves support on use of ethanol blended fuel. Key theme that can be linked in this particular article, this talks about energy security, environmental sustainability and technology adoption. These three triologies. So energy security, environmental sustainability and technology adoption. For prelims, we need to know what are ethanol blending targets that we have aimed for ourselves, what are BS mission norms, type of biofuels, This is to be read and brushed up our knowledge on. Then for mains perspective, this can be linked with SDG goals. For example, SDG goal number 7 and 13. We can even link it with other GS paper in the form of economy. Then this can even be given as a reference point for environment and agriculture as well. So in this manner, this particular article shall be read while going through this particular article. Next important article is reviving civic engagement in health governance. So key theme that is being discussed in this article is the role of community participation in governance. That is majorly bottom-up approach in public health administration. This is relevant for GS paper 2 governance. Then governance, transparency, accountability, citizen charter and health policies. For prelims, the areas that we need to know is about the total budgetary allocations for the same. Then health falls under which subject? Union, health and concurrent. Afterwards, for prelims, we can see NRHM data, Rogi Kalyan Samitis that has been formed, that is discussed in this particular article, Mahila Arogya Samitis, role of ASHA workers. For mains, this particular article is to be read in the form of role of citizens in governance, tackling health inequality. This can link with GS paper 2 governance, social justice and even ethics. Further point for essay can also be taken up from this particular article. So this is how this article is to be interpreted while going through. Then several data can be seen, the different best practices with regard to the states that they follow and which can be replicated in other areas of India where the deficits is there. Then we can even brush up our data and fact with regard to the percentage of doctor and patient or population that India has in urban and rural contrast as well. So these are the additional points that can be seen and brushed up our knowledge upon. Moving on, the next important article that is to be read from today's Hindu newspaper is what will be the impact of Google antitrust case. Theme, if I have to say, that is being discussed here, abuse of dominance, digital market regulations and consumer protection. Relevant for GS paper 3 economy, competition policy and science and tech, digital economy. So these are the areas wherein this particular article can be fit in from our GS syllabus. For prelims perspective, the areas that we need to know firstly about Competition Commission of India, CCI. Right. For mains perspective, the same article is to be seen with balance between innovation with fair competition and platform monopolies that are rising nowadays. We can link it with other GS paper in the form of economy, tech policy and governance. Right. Then role of NCLAT, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. We need to know about that. So this is how this particular article is to be seen from today's newspaper. Moving on, the next important article that one should not miss from today's paper is rift between two blocs continues in Geneva Plastic Treaties. Now, the key theme that is being discussed here is global environmental governance, then production versus waste management, relevant for GS paper 3 environment, pollution control and international agreement. For prelims perspective, the knowledge base that we have to brush up upon is Basel Convention and its rule, UNEA as a body and its processes. Then what are LMCs? Then do we have any policy with regard to it, plastic waste management or not? What is the status of that? How well are we doing? Then for mains perspective, the areas that we have to keep in mind while going through this particular article is multilateralism in environmental diplomacy. Then SDG goals that we have to fulfill. This can even be linked as a part of circular economy, GS paper 3, IR as well. So this is how this particular article is to be seen holistically. The last important article for the day is on science page that talks about landmark study offers new insights into what protects against dengue. Relevant for GS paper 3, science and tech, that to biotech and health section. Theme that can be seen from this particular article is challenges in vaccine development, epidemiology of vector-borne disease. For prelims perspective, the areas that we have to keep in mind is what are serotypes, what is antibodies, about the mosquitoes that spreads dengue. Do we have any policy with regard to it? Read about National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Then for mains perspective, this article is to be seen from the relevance of health policy and preventive strategies, linking science with public health. Other GS papers that can be linked from this particular article is health and governance as such. So this is all from my end from today's Hindu newspaper. See you tomorrow in the next edition of our Hindu newspaper. Till then, take care and goodbye.